On the call this morning, U.S. futures are down slightly on disappointing sales forecast from Applied Materials. Asian markets take a tumble after Tokyo Electron, Japan's largest chip-making equipment producer, estimates sales below expectations, while negative China commentary from Jim Chanos adds to bearish sentiment. Gold and silver extend the commodities rally on European debt concerns. I'm Alex Steele, and the morning call starts right now.
Good morning. I'm Scott Redler, Chief Strategic Officer with T3Live.com.
And I'm Alex Steele with The Street, and together we bring you the morning call. Scott, I have to say it, happy hump day, because it's exactly what it feels like. You know, markets tried to rally on Tuesday, ended in the red, held the 100-day, but today we're opening lower. Where does this leave us here?
I still see pressure on these markets. Some of the leading stocks are acting well, but the S&Ps are just weak. We tried to hold the 100-day yesterday. We couldn't get back above the 50-day. Last night, when I was on my way home from a dinner, I looked at the futures. We were at 1303. I was like, oh my goodness, we're going to have to deal with another day like today, and we've bounced. So to me, I'm going to see if we actually tag that 1303 intraday like we did last night. So if you look at the charts, you'll see that we still are technically broken, and we're in a correction cycle. If you see overall from where we were back in September, to the peak when we shot Osama bin Laden in that raid, we've meandered down. Okay, and now we're below this little wedge here. So if you take a closer look, which I'd like to show you, this is the 100-day that we've been holding, but we haven't been able to get back above the 50. So last night, we did touch this 1303, which I'll be watching today.
If we hit that intraday, how bearish is that?
It doesn't mean it's more bearish. It just means that that's a level of support. Hopefully, if you were bearish and you were, just managing your positions, you've already sold, and now you're looking at these zones for bounces. As traders now, we're going to look at these support zones to see if it can hold. If it can't hold 1303, we've spoken about 1295 with Sam's level, my level. That's another level that I think is compelling to see how the market acts, to play an oversold bounce, and then figure out if it'll amount to more. And if you look real quickly, this is that 1295 level. So this is a support that I'm going to be watching, and then this is a major, major area that could prove to be an oversold bounce for cash flow if you're quick and fast like we are.
You also have to wonder how many traders are going to be selling into the long weekend, too, to just protect themselves, and that's going to be some short-term headwinds as well.
Or who might not want to go short. So if we go hit those levels in the next few days, maybe shorts cover or whatnot, just ahead of a long weekend and pair down positions. So we'll manage these positions that we get there. But right now, I think the time to be short has been behind us, and now's the time to try and play a bounce and maybe get into a tier 1 in positions that you really like.
And talk